Good morning guys, another long run today, this weekend. So yung training namin ngayon guys, easy run, marathon pace kami. Yes, ganda ng weather ngayon. Mag park run muna kami for 5 kilometers. Tapos dire-diretso na, tuloy-tuloy. Okay, continue lang running guys, be safe, enjoy your running. Welcome back.
Thank you. Hello.
Park run.
Thank you. Well done.
I didn't know if it was to do with the cold. Because we've been so cold.
Duplito ha. Runner pa, cameraman pa.
Parang collapsible na cup. Meron ba? Ang disabit eh. Parang bilog lang siya. Pwede mo kayo ganun. Basta natin inom siya.
Go, Tita Jade.
Stay in line. Well done.
Tapos na yung 5K. So meron pa kaming tatakbuhin na 23 kilometers na. Ayun oh. Ayun.
Yes, naka-park ka na naman.
Park run. Continue.
Go.
23 more. 15 kilometers. Marathon pace guys, 5. Ayos, continue pa rin. 28 kilometers. Tayo ngayon. Training. Long run this. Kilometers na guys. 5 na lang. 28 kilometers na. Tapos na yung marathon pace. Let's go. Ganda ng weather. Morning. 24 na. 4 na lang. Six. Two more kilometers. Let's go. Lapit na guys. 3 weeks na ng Paris Marathon. 27 kilometers. One more. Keep going. 45 more. 45 meters. $28 kilometers. Woo. Ayos pre.
Nice, pre. Very nice.
Good job. Woo. Marathon pace guys. Ready na pre.
Ready na, pre.
Lapit na.
3 more weeks.
Paris
3 more
Marathon.
weeks.
Let's go.
Enjoy.
Okay pre.
Si kabayan.
Kabayan.
Pakita ko, kabayan.